Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I honestly do hope that this video is of benefit to you in some way. Like, all jokes aside, the coronavirus is a very serious thing, and I am seeing what is going on in my country with the lack of hand sanitizers, the lack of rubbing alcohol, the lack of glycerin, the lack of aloe vera gel. So I just put this little video together so that it would help somebody who is in desperate need of it. So I hope that you guys actually like this video. I hope that it was beneficial to you in some way or the other. And if you know somebody that is looking for hand sanitizers and they aren't getting access to it, you could always share this video to them. This is a DIY hand sanitizer that I put together. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the first step, as you can see, is to cut off the sides of the aloe vera plant, and you want to have a plastic bag nearby so that the part that you're cutting off would go directly inside the plastic bag. Step 2 is to slice the aloe vera plant straight down in the middle, because it's the gel inside is the aim. The aim is to get the gel from the aloe vera plant. Step 3 is the extraction. You just take a spoon and you scrape out the gel from the aloe vera plant, and be very precautious with this, because if you scrape a little piece of the green part, it's going to be bitter, and I'm sure you don't want to use a hand sanitizer and then pick up some food and have a bitter taste. So you have to be very precautious. Then next step is to whip this together. Just whip it together. Then add some water, because if you don't add some water to kind of thin out the gel, it's going to be very thick and very slimy. Since rubbing alcohol would not be readily available to you, you have to use a substitute, and you have to ensure that the substitute contains alcohol. So I used Alcalado, which has 76% alcohol in it. The other step would be to insert some drops of vinegar. You could either use vinegar or apple cider vinegar. And this is used to preserve the hand sanitizer. I should make it known that you don't have to manually whip this together. I just prefer to do it like this. You could always put it in a blender. That's no problem. Then you're going to get your strainer and another bowl, and you are going to be transferring the solution into the other bowl. The reason why you have the strainer there is because, remember, the aloe vera was whipped together manually and it would have pulps. So you use the strainer as a mechanism to capture all the pulps but leave the solution that you're interested in the bowl. At this point, you're just transferring what is in the bowl into the container or bottle. I should state that the hand sanitizer takes a bit longer to dry than the regular hand sanitizer you'll purchase in the drugstore, but it is just as effective. I hope that you guys find this video very informative. Feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more detailed videos. Bye.